How to withdraw and unsell your Hamster Kombat tokens. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to withdraw and unsell your Hamster Kombat tokens. As you know, the Hamster Kombat project is gradually coming to an end. Many of you might find it difficult to sell your tokens to gain your full rewards. So, to withdraw and sell your Hamster Kombat tokens once this project is actually launched, the first step you need to take is to ensure you've selected an exchange. You can use various exchanges like Binance, Bybit, OKX, KuCoin, Gate.io, and so on. For this tutorial, I'm using Bybit. So select your preferred exchange and let's proceed. Next, you need to ensure your wallet is connected to your Hamster Kombat account. As you can see, I've already connected my wallet. This is crucial because the rewards from Hamster Kombat will be sent to the linked wallet. Now, go to your Tone wallet. When Hamster Kombat rewards you, the balance will show up in your Tone wallet under the Hamster Kombat section. Initially, it will show as 0, but once you are paid, you'll see a balance showing here, indicating the amount of Hamster Kombat tokens. It will also be displayed at the bottom, showing Hamster Kombat. Now, all you need to do here is to go ahead and click on Swap. You can see that right here. The next step you need to take is to click on Swap. You can see the swap icon right here. At the top, you can see where it says Select. So go ahead and click on Select just like this. Once you click on Select, all you need to do here is search for Hamster Kombat just like this, and it is going to appear here. Since the Hamster Kombat token has not yet been launched, you're not going to be able to see it yet. But once it is launched, you're going to see it when you search for Hamster Kombat just like this. To show you an example, I'm going to use another token. Let's use USDT. Now let's take, for instance, this is your Hamster Kombat token. All you need to do here is to go ahead and input the total amount of Hamster Kombat tokens that were given to you. Let's say you received 50 Hamster Kombat tokens. All you need to do here is to input 50, just like this, and you're going to see the value of the 50 Hamster Kombat tokens in Tone. If you have it on your balance, all you need to do is click on Buy, and you'll be able to exchange it. Once you're done swapping your Hamster Kombat tokens to Ton, the balance will going to appear, and your Hamster Kombat token balance is going to increase. You'll see that the balance is going to increase. The next step you need to take here is to head over to your Bybit app. Now, if you don't have the Bybit app, all you need to do is go to your Play Store or App Store, depending on your device, and search for Bybit. Download it from your Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and register and log into the app. Once you're done registering and logging into your Bybit, this is what the interface is going to appear like this. So on your Bybit app, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on Assets in bottom right corner. Now remember, we've already swapped the Hamster Kombat token to Ton, so we now have Ton in our Ton wallet. What you need to do here is to transfer the Ton from the Ton wallet to your Bybit account. So go ahead and click on Deposit icon to transfer your Ton coins from Ton wallet to Bybit. So once you click on Deposit, you'll see an option that says Deposit Crypto at the bottom of your screen. All you need to do is go ahead and click on that. Now what you need to do here is go ahead and search for Ton, just like this. Once you type it in, you'll see it appear right here. All you need to do is go ahead and select it. Now we need to select the correct network, and Ton is the only available option, so select it. You'll see your Ton coin deposit address. So what you need to do here is go ahead and copy this address by clicking on the copy icon, then go back to your Tonkeeper app or Ton wallet to transfer the Ton. On your Tonkeeper app, click on Send, and then paste the address you've copied from Bybit. Here you'll see a field labeled Comment. To get the comment, go back to Bybit. Getting the comment is actually simple. Look for where it says Tag and copy that information. Once you've copied it, then go back to your Tonkeeper app. On your Tonkeeper app, paste the comment right here as well. The next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on Continue. Make sure Toncoin is selected and specify how much you want to send. Let's say, for instance, you want to transfer 50 Ton to your Bybit app, which will actually cost you $307.21 USD. All you need to do here is go ahead and click on Continue, and you'll be able to transfer this amount of Ton to your Bybit app. Once you've transferred the Ton to your Bybit app by clicking on Continue, just like this, the next step you need to take here is to go to your Bybit app, just like this. If you would want to exchange your money to your local currency in your region, all you need to do is head over to the Assets icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. The next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on Deposit, just like this. When you click on Deposit, you'll see the option for P2P trading. All you need to do is go ahead and click on it. So right here, all you need to do is go ahead and click on Sell. The next step you need to is select USDT, and you'll be able to see who you can actually sell it to. Find Good Buyer. Then complete the transaction to convert your tokens to your local currency. This is how you're going to be able to sell your Hamster Kombat token once it has been launched. And this is how to withdraw and sell your Hamster Kombat tokens once the project is launched. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.